In this video, we're diving into the world of derived citizenship and passport applications, particularly focusing on challenges under INA 320. We'll explore what derived citizenship is, the common challenges faced during the application process, the authority of the Department of State, required documentation, and finish with some practical advice to ensure your application is successful. Here is what's lined up for today's video. We'll start by understanding the law under INA 320 and what derived citizenship entails. Next, we'll talk about the common challenges applicants face and the authority of the Department of State. We'll cover the specific documentation you need to gather and close with practical advice to smooth your application process. Under INA 320, there are specific conditions defined for a child to acquire citizenship through a parent's naturalization. One of the main requirements is maintaining continuous residences in the United States. This doesn't just mean being physically present, but also maintaining legal status. A significant challenge faced by applicants is proving continuous residences, particularly if there have been lapses in the child's lawful permanent resident status. The Department of State may require evidence even for periods when the status was inactive. Remember, the burden of proof is on you, the applicant, not on the DOS. The Department of State has the authority to request evidence of your compliance with INA 320. It is critical to understand that while the DOS ensures these regulations are followed to prevent fraudulent claims, it is up to the applicant to prove continuous residences. This flowchart visually outlines the documents you will need for your U.S. passport application under derived citizenship. Start with evidence of LPR status. Ensure you have evidence of your continuous presence in the U.S. and include any travel documents explaining absences during the relevant period. Here are some practical tips to help your application process. Respond thoroughly to all requests for evidence, even if they seem irrelevant. If you hit a roadblock, consider consulting an immigration attorney. Depending on your situation, consider both the N-600 form and the traditional passport application. Both require compliance with INA 320. It's quiz time. Let's see what you've learned. What is one major requirement under INA 320 for a child to acquire U.S. citizenship? Your options are: proven continuous residence in the U.S., physical presence in the U.S. for 5 years, holding a U.S. visa for 2 years, prove financial stability. You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and then we will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is proven continuous residence in the U.S. This is indeed a major requirement under INA 320 for the child to acquire U.S. citizenship through a parent's naturalization. In conclusion, acquiring U.S. citizenship through derived citizenship requires careful attention to detail and fulfilling all INA 320 requirements. Make sure to provide adequate proof of continuous residence. Don't underestimate the importance of preparation and professional guidance in increasing your application's success chances. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Until next time.